Hey everybody, BST0W here. I'm with BST0W and look at our skins. It's 4th of July. As I'm posting this and recording this video after. So yeah, it was kind of a late recording because it's like already 3 o'clock here. And oh gosh, we need to.
I know we need to do this fast. We need to go like fireworks.
Okay, let's get started right away. So
look at ready? Look at my back. Yeah. See the left arm got messed up because that was supposed to be more of the stars.
Yeah, and I'm Iron Patriot. Yeah, this was a very difficult skin to make.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine was just funny to me.
So come to me. Come to the chest. As the fireworks are going off.
All right.
Turn on my sounds. I need to get my headphones.
Oh yeah, look at that zoom in. Bam, 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 bam.
Fireworks. Oh, it's out of rockets. Oh, yep. Oh.
More! Woo!
Sorry guys, I'm AFK. Okay, so show them inside the chests. Just kind of explain.
Okay, which chest? Let's do this one first.
Well, it doesn't really matter.
Wow.
All of them have basically the same thing in it.
Okay, so you explain.
Hold on, let me turn off this. Stop. Okay.
Stop. Stop, dude.
Anyways, so I'm recording. Okay. So inside this chest is different combinations of things. So this one is a trail firework star. Here's all the colors. Yes, so we have the crafting recipes. If we make some of them, you'll see. But you can't get these out of a creative menu. So I had to make them all, which took forever. So this is a trail, which is, I think, the diamonds make the trail if you add it. And then the next chest is burst and twinkle. Twinkle is a glowstone, and burst is, I think... You lucky punk.
My mouth won't move.
Well, anyways, let's just get started right now. We're gonna fly away. Because we gotta quickly record this. So 20-minute build phase. Yes. And we're gonna show off our fireworks shows. If you're a mouse ever.
Yay! You fixed it!
Yay! Okay. So let's get started.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, you're using your rockets, you know, because you're in. I changed you. Okay. So let's fly in a random direction and let go.
Wait, which direction did you go?
This recording went super long, so we decided to do super fast motion. It ended up being about like 2 hours and 50 minutes long. So we did super duper fast motion. So hope you guys enjoy this fast forward. I will do some commentary in and out. So right here, as you guys can see, I decided that I wanted to do some mine carts. Definitely some detector rails to just trigger everything. And it'll just go very smoothly, and it'll be very controlled, and it'll be exactly like I wanted to. So guys, yes, this is the start of my build, and BST0W is also building his at the same time. So, we'll just see how this turns out. Here, I know I want rockets, so I started making some red, white, and blue rockets because it's 4th of July, and I thought it'd be fitting. So I'm just still building, testing it out. It's working very well so far. So I'm just gonna keep on building and see if we can get this done quickly. About here, I didn't write down the coordinates of my place, So I lost it, and I'm flying back. I'm a derp. Okay, so right here, I thought it'd be really cool to go straight up into the sky and have fireworks following you as you're on the mining cart. So here I built this really tall staircase, and I began filling it with creeper rockets. So I thought that'd be pretty fancy. So yeah, staircase number 1 is being built right now. BST0W how to use redstone because he is a big noob. So yeah, I'm just showing him how to make a little redstone clock thing to help him out with his build, because he is the biggest noob there ever was. So I made the little loop with the minecart rails and protector rails. I wanted to go one way, then wrap around to the back, and bounce back forward to another section of my little build. So here it goes, the back and forth, and it is good. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. And yet again, BST0W needs more help with part of his build. So I'm helping him once again because, like I said, he is a huge noob. That's fine. So once I figured out how to make it do the back and forth thing at the very top, I decided to make another staircase down and kind of duplicate with different kind of rockets. So instead of the creeper, I decided to go with just some red, white, and blue. Just, you know, some America, right? So, yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. And then up next is the grand finale, which took forever. So, yep, this is me building the staircase, and I'll be right back. Yet again, BST0W needs help making a redstone clock. So yeah. Okay, so for the grand finale, I knew I wanted to go big. So I kind of go a little bit overboard over here. I tried doing a little redstone clock so it'd be rapid, but I could not figure out how to make a rail cart trigger redstone clock. So that was kind of disappointing, but it turns out good in the end, so stay tuned. The grand finale making is coming up next. right about here, I realized that it was one too high, so I moved it down and I put a bunch of dispensers, and it's going to be pretty dang awesome when it's finished. Yep, like I said, I went a little bit overboard with the grand finale, but it was definitely worth it. So, yep, that's a lot of dispensers. Okay, so with all these dispensers, I didn't want to make it a certain type of rocket, so I just went all out. I grabbed all the rockets I had, and I started to fill all 75 dispensers with just random rockets, and I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but as you can see, yeah, that happened too. Yeah, I crashed a little bit, but still, that was the grand finale building right there. A lot of rockets and a lot of craziness. And yep, I guess I'll see you in the next segment. Okay, so as of this point right here, I decided that my fireworks show is done, but I need to add a little bit, like a nice touch to it to make it look complete. So I decided to build an American flag, and yeah, it turns out pretty awesome. Okay, so funny story about this flag. Beasto thought, because Beasto spent most of his time building his main nice touch to it. He didn't start working on fireworks for a while, so he thought that I was building the same thing as him. And I did get a little peek at his screen, and I saw what he was building. So I knew what he was building, and I decided to fool him into thinking that I was building the exact same thing. So yeah, we were just having a little bit of fun there. I was tricking him into thinking that we're building the same thing, and he's pretty upset about it, which is pretty funny. But yeah, so let's just keep on building this American flag, because what's more American than this? So guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys. So as this time-lapse comes to an end, the flag is done. It has exactly 50 stars, which I was really happy about. And I decided to make it a little 3D and wavy. So this is what the rest of the time-lapse is going to be. And shortly, it would be the end of the time-lapse and the beginning of the actual reveal of each other's builds. So get pumped. And I want to say right now that, guys, thank you so much for all the support. And if you like this video and you like the idea of doing this type of stuff, make sure you slap that like button. And you just slap that like button, leave a like, subscribe, and tell us who wins this competition, because that's one of the main points of this. We showed our family, but they couldn't decide because they're butts. So guys, make sure you tell us in the comments which one you like better, and we'll get to the actual reveal very soon here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this time lapse. I sure had fun recording it and editing it. It's a total time of about 3 hours long total, and it was just a bunch of fun. So guys, hope you guys like this video. So yeah, see you in the reveal. Alright, I'm looking down, BST0W, and boom! Okay.
Are you looking at?
Yeah.
I don't see you.
I'm right here. I'm jumping.
I don't see you.
I'm jumping.
Am I in you?
Yeah, you're in me. You're in my body.
I don't see you.
I broke one of your blacks.
No!
I'm here. Trust me.
Stop it. Stop it.
Do you see me yet? Okay, can you see me?
Nope.
I'm
Alright, ready? Look up in 3, 2, whoa!
Oh, we did the exact same thing.
Alright, ready?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so you can either stand in the middle here.
Well, look at me. I'm awesome. What?
You can either stand in the middle right here, or you can stand on the stands.
I'm gonna stand on the stands.
I'm gonna go in the very back.
Yeah, I'm in the very back. Okay, I'm ready.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Okay, I didn't plan this out, so I don't know what the heck I'm doing right now. So, alright. Which button does which again? Okay. Alright, in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Boom!
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Boom!
Oh god! So many particles, I can't see half of them.
Boom!
Oh my god! It's right.
Oh no! 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 Boom!
Yeah.
Oh, the middle one's out.
No, that's okay.
They're lagging out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't see like after it.
Yeah, it's
There's
lagging out.
so many particles. That's
I could even hear the lag.
yeah.
Look at these, like, how are these not even going?
How many fireworks do you? Oh my god.
Alright. So that's basically what mine is. Mine's not really like a show, but okay, wait, come back here. There's one more thing. This is the grand finale.
Oh god, this was in the grand finale? It's so loud, I can't hear it.
Hold on.
Sorry guys. Ow! Wait, my ears are like really hurting.
Alright. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna start those two behind us, and then I'm gonna click the middle one a couple times, and then I'm gonna click the grand finale.
Okay.
Alright.
Thanks for telling me what's
God,
going
I
on.
hope the grand finale works.
Oh gosh.
Alright. Boom! 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 This a couple times. Is it working now?
Yeah.
Okay. And... Did it work?
What is it?
Did it work?
I don't know where I'm looking. What is it?
Oh no, you're not working?
Is it behind you?
No, just keep on staring.
Where? Up?
Hold on. Keep on
Oh, I see.
Yay!
That's
Woo!
no, you too. You did. Burn! Burn! Lag! Add more lag to the game.
Did you like the grand finale?
Yeah, no, that was a great game.
It's completely destroyed you. Oh, that was
You have a beer now. Okay, well, crap. We'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
Okay, so I'm at my place,
Yeah.
and BST's going to TP to me right now. Wait, clear your inventory first. Hold on. Clear. BST.
No, I want to keep. I want
No!
to give these.
Oh, it didn't work.
Oh, didn't it?
No. You're lucky.
Alright.
Put your TNT away. I don't trust you. Look down. You have to look down and then TP to me. Seriously. Look down and TP to me.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, TP to me.
TP B023.
Okay. So we're
What?
down here really fast. And you suck. You can look now.
I don't see anything. Oh. Wow.
I tricked you. Look at the sign. Look at the sign. Look at the sign.
That is very, see, I thought you would do a flag. That's really cool though. Can I fly around it?
Yeah. See, it was
Did
funny.
you do 50?
What?
Did you do 50 stars? 1, 2, 3. No, you didn't.
Yeah, it's exactly
Really?
50.
It is 50?
Yeah, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
That's very cool.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29.
See, I was thinking about doing that in the back. You know what I mean? But I just didn't think I had enough time. And I didn't.
For 7, 48, for 9, 50. Yep, exactly 50 stars.
What were you having so much trouble with?
The stars. I couldn't get 50 of that. I had to make it a little bit bigger.
That's, you know what? Yours looks a lot cooler than mine.
You see, I to be completely honest, I knew you built a statue of us because I saw your head, I saw your face,
Oh.
so I knew it. So I wanted to trick you into thinking that we were building the same thing, and I got
Yours is a lot more USA like, you know what I mean?
USA.
Like,
Yeah.
mine was, I just wanted our guy so I can blow your head off.
Yeah.
Like, that's all. That's all. Like,
Yeah.
whee!
So
I started
okay,
it.
So what if I told you that I don't even have to push a button to start this?
Yeah, I'm looking at these, like, carts. Like,
It's all triggered by minecarts. Ready?
okay, this is gonna be really cool.
Are you
Alright,
ready?
yeah,
So at first I was going to make us ride the minecarts, but it's better just looking at it from afar.
alright.
So here we go. Oh yeah!
Oh, the stars. That was very, very cool.
Creeper faces.
Creepers.
And then it goes to the top. Whoosh.
Oh, that's cool.
And then it goes back around. Whoosh. And it bounces back. Whoosh.
That's awesome.
And then, yeah.
Woo.
Time for the finale. Ooh.
Oh. That's awesome.
Yeah. American flag. Oh, why didn't it go up there?
Oh.
It tricked you. I know. Why did
It tricked you.
Yeah. It's being a troll. Why is it doing that?
That's yours is a lot more organized than mine.
Yeah.
Which is really cool.
Why does it keep on doing that corner? It's so disappointing. It's not. Why? Why is it doing that?
You got trolled!
I got trolled by my own troll. Well, guys, that was 4th of July fireworks.
Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely put in the comments which one did you guys enjoy the most. Was it mine or was it Brad's? So definitely hit yeah.
Comment that like button.
Definitely hit that like button and
No, you slap it.
Slap it, smash it, slap it as hard as you can with your forehead. All right.
Not with your forehead.
No, with your foot.
With your nose.
With your nose.
With your nose.
Your nose.
Try not to break your nose while doing
How
it.
long does this go?
Well, there's 64 of them in there. See, I was trying to make the minecart go faster, but I couldn't.
Woo!
Yep. So, guys, as mine is finishing up, make sure you guys leave the comment and subscribe and leave a like, and we'll see you guys all next 4th of July because, yeah, we're probably going to do this again. And just by the way, this has been a 2-hour and 50-minute recording.
Yeah.
2
Pretty
hours
crazy.
and 50 minutes.
Pretty crazy.
Yes, very, very, very crazy. So, hope you guys enjoyed our super fast motion editing. And yes, we will see you guys next time.
See ya. USA.
Bye-bye.
USA. 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 USA.
USA. USA.